of that, go throw it in the dump.
Yeah, we will.
All right, we're celebrating our victory here. I'm gonna blow some shit up.
Josh.
Oh, watch the dog.
Drop. Don't
God
shoot.
damn.
Jason,
JC, come here.
Jason, come here.
Here.
Put that dog in the trailer. Whenever you're ready, Josh. Tell us before you fire. Shot low. Go for it, Victor.
Hey, Colton,
Yes, sir.
that broom weave right in front of me.
Hey, just squeeze the trigger, you're jerking it.
Keep going. Keep going, yeah. Yeah, that one.
Let's pull it up. Second attempt. Tell us before you're ready.
Second attempt. Fix to blow some shit up. Celebrate victory.
Where's it at? Is it inside?
It's
that
inside.
microwave?
It's a
Inside the
white thing
microwave.
inside.
Hit the center of the white thing, you
In the
get it.
center?
Yeah.
Let me shoot if y'all don't get it. I'll close it.
All right, here we go.
It's up. Missed it?
I hit it.
Did you mix it inside?
It's inside there. Yeah, it's all mixed.
No, I mean the gasoline.
No, I didn't mix it inside
I'll
there.
shoot lower next time. I can't see it.
Okay, can I shoot? Yeah.
Oh, boy. Go, Josh.
Go ahead, Josh.
Take me off.
That wide.
Put the dog.
You can see the hole right there in the handle.
On the handle? Yeah.
There we go.
Holy shit!
Dang.
There's a fire.